Hello, you got your britches on? How come? Anyway, in this one, we're going to be making bamboo wind chimes. Oh, look at that. That's perfect. It's perfect cycle. I don't know what accent I've got now, so it's kind of a mixture, but yeah. All right. Things are getting a little twisted around here. Let's tighten them back up there, okay? All right, we got something to work with here. Let's see if we can get her out here. Back out this way. No? Maybe? Yes? Oh, fuck. Oh, for Jesus sakes. Make everything so difficult, you know? Whatever. So, we've got a start. Got a good starting point here. So, we're going to put the holes around the outer diameter of this. And we're going to use some twine here. So, then we got some sticks here. We're going to make a wind chime. So, let's go. So, started out with something this big. Now we're going to go on to this cute little guy here. Holy crock. Inside there. Wow, look at that. Interesting. Oh, there she goes. Nice. Cute. I reckon these will get the polish with the rough paper, but we're not going to worry about it this time. We're just going to do a prototype and just get the thing functional, and then we'll do the cleanup later, okay? Hello. Hello. All right, we got the strings through the one here, like this. And we're gonna give a generous amount here. Go ahead and cut the string here. About right here, we'll probably cut that right there. Sharp knife. It's a good one though. Okay guys, I ran out of time yesterday, had some stuff to do, but just wanted to kind of show you what I'm dealing with. What I have right now is pretty ugly, and there's a couple design changes that I have to do for this to meet my standards. So I'm going to show it to you. Don't laugh. It's very ugly, but we are going to fix all those things. So here's what I have. Okay? Now, first thing, the pattern or the differences in sizes was kind of thought about, but not really. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a spiral pattern, if that makes any sense. Basically, it'll go short to long in a circular progression. So that's the first thing, one of the things that definitely need done. But the first thing I'm gonna be doing is my hanging, all this is gonna get cleaned up, obviously. But the way I planned initially to hang this was through with the string that goes inside that has the piece that hits all of the other pieces that makes the chime. I put a stop knot underneath this so that this string could be possibly used as hanging. But as you can see, this is leaning, okay? So the solution that I am going to try to get this to hang centered or level is to redo the 3, 6, 9, and 12 chime string and put stop knots on those. I want these to be even or close to even. See where I want it. Put my knot about right there. A little overhand knot. And I want my knot to be about right there. As you can see now, I have a stop. Now we have to put the top knots, just two of them. See how this is going to work to level this piece as it's hanging. 2 more, and then we'll tie that off. But as you can see, using the stops at 3, 6, 9, and 12 on the chime strings allows centering for this piece here to be level with the ground instead of hanging like that. You can actually straighten it up. So go ahead and cut it, cut that top, trim that off. All right, so for the final piece of the build, basically I just attached a string to the centerpiece to go down, and then whatever gets attached down here is what the wind will help make the chime.